Okay, so I think some results have come in from an assessment we did. Let's have a look at them. I'm going to add them to the map. I'll add them on top of the existing daily plan map. Surveys assessment. The question was, do you have access to adequate food? Let's see what the results are. Okay, so if we look at the options, we see that do you have access to adequate food? The yes is in red, high values, and then we're looking at protection, the areas got protection going on. Let's change that to food. So in this area where we're done an intervention around food, people seem to have access to adequate food. Not so much here, and yes, okay here.